Whether you're an entrepreneur looking to start your very first business, or you're a seasoned business owner starting something new and fresh, you know that choosing a business structure is one of the most critical decisions you'll face. But you have options, and one of those options is a limited liability company. An LLC is common because it's simple to form and maintain. It offers some of the same benefits as a corporation without the cost and compliance complexity. LLCs offer simplicity. The business registration paperwork is minimal, as are the ongoing filing requirements. It's second only to sole proprietorships and general partnerships in terms of simplicity when it comes to annual compliance responsibilities. In a way, it's sort of like a hybrid. It provides the simplicity of that sole proprietorship or partnership, but also the personal liability protection of a corporation. Just as its name suggests, an LLC limits the liability of the business owners. Because an LLC is considered a separate legal entity from its members, its financial and legal responsibilities are also its own. Therefore, an LLC gives business owners peace of mind that their personal assets are protected. Tax treatment options are also an advantage. Business income and losses are passed through to its members' tax returns and are subject to individual tax rates. But there are other options as well. Members can opt for the LLC to be taxed as a corporation, with profits taxed at its corporate rate. Or LLC members may elect to have their company taxed as an S corporation. And of course, there's management flexibility. LLCs can be member managed or manager managed. This means that owners can handle the day-to-day management of the business, or members can appoint or hire someone to manage the company. There are multiple types of LLCs available to you, so before you make a final decision, it's best to consider your needs and then compare those requirements to your LLC options. Remember, not all states recognize all types of LLCs, so it's important to understand your state's requirements and limitations. Choosing a business structure like an LLC is one of the most critical decisions you'll face as an entrepreneur. But rest assured, no matter where you are in the United States, our experienced team can handle all of your business registration and compliance filings, including formation documents, payroll tax registration, registered agent services, and more. Get down to business and get peace of mind with CorpNet by your side.